Hi everybody, it's Janelle from East Coast Mummy, and I have a new video today with 10 fantastic Cricut blanks that you can get from the dollar store. I was recently gifted a new Cricut maker, and it has inspired me to do a bunch of new crafts with you. So let's get started. When looking for Cricut blanks at Dollarama, make sure to check out the home decor section. I recently found this shadow box with a slit on the top for $4, and I knew I wanted to make something fun with it. I loved the box, but I didn't love the words thankful and grateful on the front of it. So I opened up the back and I used some nail polish remover to remove the writing from the back of the front of the box, if that makes sense. It's really easy to do. It just kind of came right off. I wiped it clean and I was ready to go. I created a decal in Cricut Design Space and used my new Cricut Maker to print it onto permanent vinyl. Then I used transfer tape to apply the decal to the front of the shadow box. I plan to fill the memory box with ticket stubs from concerts and theme parks. Fun, right? Any item can be a Cricut blank if it has a smooth surface, and I thought it would be fun to add Cricut decals to these hangers. They come in 3 different colors and can be customized with any name you want. I thought these would be cute for a wedding, so I used Cricut Design Space to design a bride decal. Then I printed it out with my maker and used transfer tape to transfer the decal onto the hanger. That's it. It doesn't get much easier than this little DIY, but I think they turned out super cute. These are so easy you could make them for the entire wedding party. The glassware section at Dollarama is another great place to find Cricut blanks. I especially love the cylinder vases. They are a great shape, come in different sizes, and are really inexpensive. To create a bit of seasonal decor, I found this Halloween image in Cricut Design Space, and I used my Cricut Maker to print a decal onto permanent vinyl. Then I used transfer tape to apply the decal to the vase. I love how it wraps around and you can see the design from different angles. I popped an LED candle into the vase and look how cute it is. The giftware section at Dollarama has a variety of items that can be personalized with a Cricut too. I recently found this little sculpture and I thought it would be fun to personalize it with my wedding date. I found a font I liked and used Cricut Design Space to print out a decal with my Cricut Maker. I used transfer tape to transfer it onto the bottom of the statue, and I think it's a cute little piece of decor for $2.50. In the stationery section, they have bags that can be personalized with a Cricut, and they come in white and brown in packs of 3. You can use Cricut Design Space to come up with any design that you like, and then use your Cricut to print out a decal. Use transfer tape to transfer it onto the bag, making sure that the transfer tape isn't too sticky. And that's it. I absolutely love the idea of personalizing these inexpensive gift bags. I think it adds a really thoughtful touch, and you can make it to match any theme or design that you like. I made this one for my sister who turned 50 this year, and I made this cute happy birthday one with a dinosaur for my dinosaur-loving little cousin. For an added touch, you can even make the bag match the present inside. Dollarama is a jackpot when it comes to wooden blanks for use with a Cricut. I absolutely love how many options they have. But don't just look in the craft aisle. One of my favorite wooden pieces can be found in the kitchen aisle. These wooden cutting boards are inexpensive and excellent quality and make perfect trays. Dollarama glassware is also excellent when you have a Cricut. There are so many options. These water bottles are one of my favorite things to personalize, and I love the quality of these stainless steel wine glasses. I'm also a big fan of the plain glass wine glasses. They are perfect when making matching glasses for a group. Dollarama has a bunch of options for journals, and they are easy to customize with a Cricut. I recently created this adorable journal for myself using a Be Kind decal that I made using my Cricut. The seasonal aisle also has options for making things with your Cricut. I recently grabbed this tin bucket and used it to make this decoration for my porch. These LED lights come with a remote control and they change color, perfect for applying decals. I also love the flat surface of these night lights. I found this in the organization aisle, and I think it makes a fun movie treat caddy. And the plastic bowls can be personalized for movie night too. And don't forget to check out the variety of jars at Dollarama. You can make personalized cookie jars, memory jars, or animal treat jars. I hope you like the ideas that I've shared today. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell to be notified of future videos. Talk to you next time. Bye.